Nityanandam. Welcome back to our channels. And today is kind of an interesting topic as today we're going to speak about how we all three first met Swamiji. How from like a very young age we've all met Swamiji and are living with him as his own daughters. And as in today's, as Swamiji has said in today's satsang, how we all are just in love with him. So why don't you start? Because she met Swamiji like just a few months ago. She's just fresh out of the box.
Yep. I mean, I feel like I wasted 19 years of my life, not meeting Swamiji. But I think, it's better late than sorry. So, okay, I just met Swamiji 2 months ago through Facebook. How about you, Tripura?
Oh, I met Swamiji in 2009 when I was just 9 years old. My parents would go around to so many gurus and see their programs and discourses, and I'll just be like, it's so boring. Like, especially a 9-year-old, she'll want to play and like have fun with her friends, and I was that type of person. So I was like so bored of all these gurujis, and I'm like, I don't want to come. But then when Swamiji's program came, some of my parents just dragged me. Like, something in me was like, okay, let me try this time and see what exactly this person has to offer to me. And when we went, there was actually Swamiji's Acharya sitting there for a Nitya Dhyan class. And Swamiji's picture was there on the side. The moment I saw that picture, I was just like in love. I didn't know why, and I was just completely curious, like, who is this guy? Where is he from? What does he do? And all of that. Like, I literally thought he's just a few years elder than me, but actually at that time he was like 30 something. About you?
I met Swamiji in 2007 at Singapore, where he was conducting a Kalpataru program. That was the first time. At that time I was 6 years old.
Wow.
And I didn't know who this person was. And after that Kalpataru program, I completely forgot about him. But after I came for my first inner awakening, which was in 2013, while I was 11 years old, when I first saw him in the first darshan, I completely got like mesmerized at the first sight of him. There was like a click in me. And I experienced that this is the person whom I really want to be with.
Okay, well, for me, the moment Swamiji accepted my friend request, I mean, in the beginning, I didn't know it was his real profile about which Swamiji will have a Facebook, I mean, I was in that thinking. And then suddenly, slowly, the Malaysia Sangha people, they started asking me, so are you a devotee or what? Because, Swamiji is your friend. I was like, what, Swamiji? I mean, is it really his profile and all? I mean, I got that first breakthrough when I really got to know that was his real profile, and usually he doesn't add unknown people. I mean, I didn't even know him much.
And I was his devotee. 20.
Yeah, I'm 20 this year. And then, that's when I really started falling in love with him.
So there's not much to say here, because when we're talking about how we love Swamiji, there's actually no words to say about it. There's so much to say, but you can't really put it
Actually,
out in
if I have to start telling my journey with Swamiji, I'll just go. I think this video will take few days. Because not even days, maybe months, because there's so much to tell.
I love hearing all his
how
stories.
we experience Swamiji at times.
I think you should make a series on that.
Yeah.
We'll make a series and come back to you.
Yep.
So stay tuned for the series, and if you see just meeting Swamiji and not doing anything about it, you're just wasting a whole lot of energy.
Yes.
So just either pack up your bags, attend the next inner awakening or this December Mahasada Shivoham, or come and join us in the Nityananda Gurukul to explore that energy into manifesting powers.
Yes, if you're in the age of 7 to 21, you can always join Gurukul.
And I'll tell you, don't miss this chance, because Swamiji is opening the doors for everyone in this whole world to come and experience it.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nityananda.